Hi, y'all. Welcome back. Guys, I'm so excited. I can't even wait. Do you know you can take your photo from looking like this to that? Yes. And even further, you can take your photo from looking this age to about 20 years from now. You're excited? You want to know how I did that? Well, guys, this feature is available in Photoshop 2021. So, without much ado, let's jump right into this tutorial. Oh, I am so excited. So if you have your image open, all you need to do is go to your filter, then choose neural filter. Now you want to go into your beta and then you want to click on your smart portrait to turn it on. Now guys, if you want your portrait to smile, all you need to do is go under expression, click on happiness and move your slider all the way to 50. Now guys, if you're standing, I need you to sit down because this feature is going to blow you away. So, are you sitting down? Okay, so let's just sit tight and watch what happens to this facial expression. This is so cool. The eyes brighten up. You see the angle of the teeth change. This is so amazing. If you are worried and you're like, but this area is not well, so this is what you need to do. You want to click on OK. And we want to go ahead and add a layer mask, okay? So we can hide the area we don't want to see. So to do that, you pick your brush. You want your foreground to be black. We all know black hides, white reveals. So we are just going to brush gently in this area so we can blend this in. And then for this area, we will have to gently brush it off so we don't see the double layer. So we have something like this. So guys, this is the before and this is the after. I love it. So I want to show you another feature that I think is really cool. So I'm going to turn off this layer. We are going to click back on our original image, go back to filter, then we want to go back to neural filter and then go back to your beta, then click on your smart portrait. So if you want to see how you would age 20 years from now, you want to click on the subject option, facial age. Let's take that all the way to 50. And guys, again, if you're not sitting, I want you to take a seat and let's watch what happens to the face of our portrait. And if you want to try it for yourself too, you can do that to see how you will age 20 years from now. Guys, do you see this? This is so amazing. It added some wrinkles on the face, the eyes, even the skin color changed a little. You can see the mouth, the wrinkles around the mouth, the hair, you see some gray in the hair. You know what? Let me show you one more thing. If you want to even thicken the hair, you can basically take this all the way up. Now, let's see what happens to the hair as well. See, it made even the hair fuller. So guys, this is so cool. Oh, the other thing, if you want to even change the direction of the head, did you know you could do that too? Let's see what happens. It changed the direction of the head. Well, I don't like that too much, so I'm going to take that off and we are going to stick with the original. So we are back at this. Now, if you want to change the direction of your lights, you can do the same thing. You know, we can take this all the way up and see what happens. So you see that it gives the direction towards the right. Now, again, you can basically use the layer mask to basically max it and blend it in. I'm going to take that off because I like the original. But guys, this is it. So what I'm going to do is click OK. We want to accept this. The hair is fuller and we've changed how the subject looks. So about 20 years, this is how the subject is going to look. I think she doesn't look that bad at all. So we're going to go ahead and add a layer mask, take our brush, and we want to blend in the chin area. So we do away with the line, and guys, we are done. So guys, I want to show you all the before and after. So this is what we have that we began with. Now this is the aged version of our subject. We're going to turn this off, and now this is the subject excited. So guys, I have a question for you. Which of these two features is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And oh, if you want to send me a picture of yourself, the before or now versus how you will look 20 years, you can send it to me on Instagram, or you can tag me. This is a fun tool, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. This brings us to the end of this lesson. Till next time, please take care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!